I'm here with Christopher Cytera, IPTV Partner Manager EMEA at Dune HD. Christopher, what current trends do you see in the set-top box market? How much growth is there, and what technologies are operators currently looking for?
So we see lots of interesting trends, three main ones: certainly growth, the rise of OTT, and miniaturization, interestingly enough. So in terms of growth, the market grew 10% in 2012 and is forecast to be 27 billion by 2017. So it's a huge market. So this market isn't in decline or going away, contrary to what you might think. OTT in particular is one of the things that's fueling the growth. Set-top box, very convenient way for content providers to deliver their content. And OTT is forecast to be 6% of the total telecoms market by 2020. And then miniaturization, well, that's where Dune HD excels. So this is the world's smallest set-top box. It's based on a Sigma Designs chipset in the smallest form factor, just plugs into the back of the HDMI and converts a dumb TV into a smart TV. Ideal for customizing operator services.
So you mentioned that the set-top market isn't declining. There are obviously those who argue that set-tops are being superseded by other types of devices like smart TVs. How do you respond to that type of argument?
The smart TV is certainly a very important innovation, and it will continue to grow, but for a lot of the operators, especially the larger ones, they want to control the services that they offer, to brand the services, to customize them and to upgrade them, and they can only do that with a set-top box. Big operators like Orange from France and Telefonica are on record saying so. They did so at the Connected TV Summit in London only 2 weeks ago. Relying only on the smart TV would put them into conflict with the smart TV OEM, who want themselves to get more control of the customer and take a cut of the content. So for those operators, certainly boxes are going to be still in the picture for a very long time.
What are the key elements in Dune HD's own technology, and what problems do those solve for operators?
I think it's Dune HD's not only our technology but also the services. So that's a key point, because we have a very high caliber software team doing integration support for operators who can customize our boxes for their services quickly and to high quality, something that our competitors have much more difficulty doing. And it comes from having a very well-resourced team in Moscow and Kiev. So I think that's a key thing about Dune, is the service level that we can offer to operators. The second thing on the hardware side is the miniaturization and the engineering skill in dealing with overheating, for example, which is a big problem in a small device like this. And so I think we've got a significant lead on the competition in those two aspects.
So you're obviously a very innovative company. Finally, what's next for Dune HD? What's
next is, after the HD Connect HDMI stick, hybrids, because we see broadcast live TV as being vital in the future. It's not in decline, contrary to popular belief, and BBC has shown that iPlayer has actually stimulated demand for live TV viewing. And so we're bringing out a new range of hybrid set-top boxes with 1 or 2 TV tuners, so that content can come from any source, whether it be OTT, IPTV, broadcast, with either CAS protection or not. And so really we're taking our expertise in networking and handling IP content to the next level by adding broadcast sources. Push VOD, for example, is another way to get content over broadcast. So that way you've got the lowest cost and the widest range of content delivery options for the viewer.
Christopher, thank you very much.
Thank you.